Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today the video, I'm gonna show you one way to get your nails done at home. No acrylic needed. Everything you need can be found in your house. Very easy to buy. To make nails done, I'm using some mountain putty and stick it on the wood stick. You can also use anything like chopstick or pencil instead. Next, prepare the false nail and I will stick them on the nail stand. It's time for color. I'm using regular polish today because it's very easy to find. I will paint it over the nail. For the first layer, I'm just gonna apply a thin layer to make sure that the color is smooth and even. And then I'm gonna wait for a few minutes to make sure that it's dry. Then apply the second layer. You should do it quick. Then wait for around 10 minutes. If you have anything you want to put on your nail, like diamond or sticker, don't be shy. Use your imagination. also use matte top coat for the matte finish. But I like the glossy finish better. Applying the top coat, and then you should wait for at least 1 to 2 hours before touching. You know regular polish is take forever to dry. You might not want to mess it up. What do you think about this DIY? Give me the comment below. If the video helped you, please give us a like because this will help us make more video. Thank you. See you in the next video.